Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and how to install Google Play Store on your PC. And trust me, it's 100% working. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, and if you appreciate that, you can give it a like. So first, and open your browser and search in Google for MSI emulator, like this. Open the first link, and actually MSI emulator is a result of the partnership with MSI and BlueStacks, and actually there we can find Google Play Store, and yeah, you can play your favorite games without having lags, and you can, yeah, as you can see, support up to 240 FPS. That's poof. So if you want to download it, just click on download here, but I have already downloaded it. As you can see, I have this number one, and click when you're ready, just click on click on the downloaded file and click on File Explorer. Here it appears, this file here, just double click on it and yeah, run it. But I've already downloaded, but yeah, let's click on run. I've already downloaded, as you can see, but just when you're it appears here, just click on install now, and yeah, and you need to wait 44 minutes. That's a little bit, actually 15, yeah, that's now it's better. So I don't want to waste your time to show you how something is downloading. Just when you're there, you find a way how to get to Google Play Store. It's very easy, and yeah, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or shame to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye guys.